and welcome back to a new emission of Libro Español. In today's video, we are going to see the second part of the use of masculine and feminine in Spanish, but this time in objects. So, join us!
In Spanish, the names of the things can be masculine or feminine. There is a tendency for names ending in O be masculine. For instance, el cuaderno, el plato, el auto, el ojo, el salero, el mercado. But is it a rule? It is rather a trend because there are exceptions. For example, la mano, la moto, la radio, la foto, la modelo, la soprano, la libido, la polio. There is a tendency for names ending in A be feminine. For example, la muñeca, la montaña, la carta, la secretaria. But is it a rule? It is also a trend because there are exceptions such as el planeta, el idioma, el día, el problema, el cometa, el sistema, el sofá, el tranvía, el reuma. But there are also generalities. For example, the days of the week are masculine. El lunes, el martes, el miércoles, el jueves, and so on. Nouns ending in ción are feminine. La televisión, la decisión, la progresión, la confesión, la opción, la acción, la adición. Names ending in dad are feminine. La bondad, la maldad, la realidad, la sociedad, la unidad, la ciudad. Most animal names are masculine or feminine. El perro, la perra, el gato, la gata, el león, la leona. But some animal names are very different between feminine and masculine. El caballo, la yegua, el toro, la vaca, el gallo, la gallina. Gender's names are arbitrary. That's why it changes in different languages. For example, let's see some examples where the names are masculine in French and feminine in Spanish. La voiture, el coche. La vidéo, el video. La couleur, el color. La planète, el planeta. Let's see some other examples where in French the name is masculine, but in Spanish is feminine. Le beurre, la mantequilla. Le drapeau, la bandera. Le lait, la leche. Le nez, la nariz. Now let's see some names that in German are masculine, but in Spanish are feminine. Der Schnee, la nieve. Der Mond, la luna. Now let's see some examples where the noun is feminine in German and masculine in Spanish. Die Sonne, el sol. Die Eins, die Zwei, el uno, el dos, die Tulpe, el tulipán. There is also a neutral article in German that will correspond to a masculine or a feminine article in Spanish. For example, das Bett, la cama, das Hund, el perro, das Werkzeug, la herramienta, das Medikament, el medicamento. Therefore, gendering names are arbitrary, so in each language we must learn them as appropriate. To conclude, allow me to share a Facebook post that I found very funny, and it's related to this topic.
I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you want to take Spanish classes according to your needs, do not forget to contact me. I will be so happy to start this adventure together. Meanwhile, I will invite you to hit the subscribe button, give us a like, and turn on the notifications so you do not lose any of our videos. Meanwhile, I say to you, ¡hasta luego!